Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export your model with colors baked into the model. I'm your guide, Mr. H, and let's get started. So we're going to go to Vertex Paint, and basically what Vertex Paint does is it adds color directly to the vertices of your object, like so. The issue with that, it does not paint on the faces, only the corners. So let's say if we wanted to give a smiley face to our cube here, we would have to go to edit mode, face select, and we'd have to subdivide this a lot of times. Now we can go back to Vertex Paint and let's make him a smiley face. So there you go. We're going to click on File, Export, OBJ, and make sure you have these settings enabled. So you need to enable colors, and we need to enable triangulate mesh. Now we can just pick a location where we want to save it. I'm going to call this Happy Cube. Export. Now we can go to Bambu Studio. Prepare. And we're just going to drag and drop our file. Like so. Okay. This is the tricky part. Let's say you don't have all these colors. What we want to do here in this case, we just do reset and color match. And it would just select the materials you have and it'll try to match it. Or you might have to individually set these. Okay, so just reset color match and it'll just try its best to click on the colors. Now we can export this and we can size it up. And there we have it. Then you can just change your colors here or whatever it'll be in this case. And that is all for today. Just if you kindly can, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.